Hello, welcome to Cooking with Deep Blue Laser, a brand new cut section from her daily vlog where you get to learn how to make the thing that she made for lunch. In today's episode, we are going to be making creamy white chicken enchiladas for two. First, we're going to preheat our oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 177 degrees Celsius. We're going to take a small baking dish. Mine is 8x8, so you want to go around that size. But with our cooking dish, we're going to spray it down lightly with non-cooking spray. With non-stick cooking spray, sorry. To begin, you're going to want a small or medium-sized saucepan over medium-high heat. You're going to then melt 2 tablespoons of butter. Then you're going to whisk in 2 tablespoons of flour and create a roux. Fun fact, I had made roux so many times for recipes without even realizing that's what I was making. Once you have completed making your roux, we're then going to add 1.5 cups of chicken broth. You're going to want to pour that in very slowly. I did it in just a few little increments at a time, just whisking everything in as I went along. After that, you're going to do 2 ounces of diced green chilies. I just had a 4-ounce can and just scooped in about half of that. Then you're going to mix in 1/2 cup of sour cream, and then 1/4 cup of cheese. The original recipe says Monterey Jack, but I'm not a fan of Monterey Jack, so I did the Fiesta blend from Great Value instead. You are then going to whisk all of the ingredients together until it starts to thicken, and then just remove it from the heat. Once all of that is done and you have a nice thick sauce, we're then going to begin on the filling. You're going to take a medium-sized bowl and you're going to put in 1 cup of cooked chicken breasts that have been shredded. I honestly just took a can of chicken and just dumped the whole thing in there. Next, you're going to do 3 ounces of cream cheese that have been softened and just kind of mix them all together until it's this weird chicken cream cheese mush. Then you're going to mix in 1/4 cup of sour cream. And then the rest of that 4-ounce can of diced green chilies that we used for the sauce. We're just going to finish that off in the filling. Next, you're going to do 1/2 teaspoon of cumin. I could not find my cumin in my seasoning cabinet. Neither could I find my oil. So I just did 5 drops of doTERRA's Mexican cooking blend instead. If you do have the cumin oil, I would suggest popping the orifice off, dipping a toothpick in there, and then just swirl that toothpick into your chicken mixture. Don't do an entire drop. Just a toothpick will be fine. And then after you have mixed all of that, and you took that toothpick out of the chicken mix, that's very important, don't leave that thing in there, you're going to add in some more cheese. I ended up just putting in whatever felt good to me. Again, using the Fiesta blend because that's what I prefer. You can use the Monterey Jack or cheddar cheese or whatever just calls to you. It's an easygoing recipe when I do it. Alright, next what we're going to do is we are going to take a nice tortilla. This one is the burrito size, if you're wondering. We're then going to lay down some of our chicken mixture filling on there. Get a nice glob, and you're just going to roll that thing up and put it in the baking dish. My baking dish was just barely too small for this, so I had to fold the sides of the burrito in to get it to fit right. You're going to just keep doing that until the baking dish is full. For me, it was about 4 tortillas and it was good to go. But once all of your tortillas are in a row in your lovely little baking dish and ready to go, you're going to take the sauce and you're just going to pour that over your tortillas stuffed with the chicken mixture. You want to make sure you get it nice and spread around to the point where like you can hardly even see the tortillas, okay? It's got to be just, this looks like a massive mound of sauce is what we're going for here. Once you got all of that done, we're going to sprinkle the top of it with more cheese. Use whatever kind of cheese is calling to you. I did the Fiesta blend. If you want to do cheddar or something else, you go for it. But once we are done putting all of that together and having our cheese of desire on top of there, we are going to stick that baby in the oven that should be preheated and ready to go by now. And we're going to bake that for 25 to 30 minutes or until it is heated through and our cheese on top is all melted and kind of bubbly. When all of that is done, you can garnish it with cilantro or perhaps some more cheese, because why not? And then just scoop that baby out and eat it up, man. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this recipe as much as I enjoyed making it and eating it. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!
What is it, bud? What's up, June? What's up? What is it, Mr. Moobs? What is it? Yeah? You were just wound up because I'm over here talking, huh? And you knew I was playing with cheese and I didn't bring you some? I know, I didn't pay the cheese tax. I'm sorry. I'll get you some chicken enchilada. You'll have some of the final product. How's that? Yeah, it'll have everything you love. Except for noodles. It'll have tortillas and chicken and cheese.